Hi, my name is Rolla. I'm a school support officer at St Patrick's Marist College, Dundas. I've been there for the past 29 years and I belong to the Sydney Inner West group. How did I first get involved in the Marist? I am an ex-Marist student. I was one of the first girls to be part of the co-ed when Wendy College went co-ed in Year 11 at Auburn. My brothers went to Marist school, so it's always been in our family. I guess it wasn't until I joined St Patrick's Marist College that I realised what it was like to what being Marist actually meant, even though I've been part of the Marist, even though I went to school at a Marist school. To be Marist for me is to do things in the Marian way. Being a school support officer, although I'm not in the office all the time, I do work with lots of students and obviously interact with teachers. I think it's important that the way that we interact with students is in a compassionate way, in the Marian way. I feel that every student is deserving to be treated unique and with compassion. We have a lot of students that come from different backgrounds. We don't know what's going on in their home life, but there's a lot of students struggling out there. So I hope that anything that I can do in my daily work life can make their life a little bit easier, even it's just, smiling and just providing a friendly face to them. And if they need any assistance, that I'm hoping that I can provide that to them in the best possible way. How does this enrich my spiritual life? Well, I just feel that that it gives me a sense of purpose. It helps me get through the tough days, and I guess we all have them. But also when the easy days, it helps me smile. I feel that's important that it works both ways. What encouraged me to join the Marist Association? I've had a very long association with the Marist Brothers. Like I said, going to a Marist school. I've got a really close friend who's a Marist brother, and we're still very close now. So I've seen a lot of changes with the Marist Brothers and what's going on. There's less brothers, so I guess from my point of view, I was interested to know how, as a layperson, I can continue not the work of the Marist Brothers, because I don't know if I'm capable of that, but to spread the word and to keep that sense of Marist going, so that because there aren't enough brothers to do that. I guess the work that is being done by various members of the Marist Association, the emails that we receive, the invitation to gatherings, the invitation to conferences, to join in a meal. I recently had done footsteps through the school program, and just working with different Marist people, I guess, gave me a sense of wanting to learn more and wanting to be part of something that is big. In my spare time, I like to garden, catching up with friends and family, to join in for meals, lots and lots of coffees. My husband and I like to go for lots of walks, and we've got a few dogs that we take for walks as well. What brings me joy? My family brings me lots of joy, and being loved, and I hope that I can pass that on to other people as well.